Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you drive a Chevrolet Silverado and want a dash cam that looks like it belongs in the truck rather than something stuck onto the windshield, the Mangoal 4K dash cam is a particularly interesting option. This Model B version is designed specifically for Chevrolet Silverado 1500 models from 2019 through 2021, the 1500 Limited from 2022, and Silverado HD models from 2020 through 2023. And importantly, Mangoal makes both Model A and Model B for these same vehicle years, with the correct version determined by the truck's sensor cover design. So, is this dash cam really worth buying? And what do the numbers actually mean in everyday driving? Let's break it down. The headline feature is the two-camera setup, with 4K recording up front and 1080p Full HD recording at the rear. The front camera records at 3840 by 2160 resolution, while the rear camera records at 1920 by 1080. That combination gives you a high-resolution view of what's happening ahead, while also keeping a dedicated camera watching behind the truck. Mangoal lists a 170-degree front viewing angle and a 140-degree rear viewing angle, giving the system a broad perspective of the road around the vehicle. Now, why does 4K matter on a dash cam? In practical terms, 4K gives the front camera substantially more image information than standard Full HD. That can be useful when you're reviewing road signs, traffic situations, or other details captured in front of the vehicle. The Mangoal front camera uses a Sony Starvis IMX335 CMOS sensor with an f/1.8 lens, and Mangoal specifies 2160p recording at 30 frames per second. The rear camera records in 1080p, so you're getting full HD coverage from behind rather than relying only on a front-facing camera. For everyday driving, that means the system is monitoring two directions continuously, which is one of the biggest advantages of a two-channel dash cam. Another feature that makes this Mangoal particularly interesting for Silverado owners is the factory-style integration. Instead of looking like a universal camera mounted somewhere on the windshield, the main unit is designed to sit behind the rearview mirror and blend into the truck's existing interior. Mangoal specifically markets it as an OEM look installation with no exposed wiring across the windshield. And then there's Wi-Fi connectivity. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect the dash cam to your smartphone through the companion app. From there, you can view recordings, access real-time video, and download important footage to your phone or transfer it for further use. That can be much more convenient than repeatedly removing the memory card just to find a particular clip. The package also includes a 128 GB micro SD card, so you have storage ready to go rather than starting from scratch. The camera uses loop recording, which means when the memory card reaches capacity, older non-protected footage can be overwritten by newer recordings. There's also a G sensor that detects sudden impacts and can lock relevant footage so it isn't treated like ordinary loop recording content. GPS is another useful addition. The included GPS module allows location information to be associated with your recorded footage, giving you more context when reviewing a drive. For people who want their dash cam recordings to contain more than just video, that's a useful layer of information. Mangoal also includes an OBD power adapter and an auto-dimming rearview mirror plug adapter in the package. The manufacturer says the mirror plug connection requires the Silverado to have the corresponding 10-pin square plug, while the OBD or fuse box route can be used when that connection isn't available. And this is where checking your exact truck configuration becomes important. Model A and Model B cover the same general Silverado model years, but Mangoal says they are distinguished by the vehicle's sensor cover design. In other words, don't choose the model based only on the year of your Silverado. Compare the sensor cover design with the manufacturer's compatibility images before ordering. Mangoal currently lists the 4K front and 1080p rear Model B package at $249.99 on its own website, although actual Amazon pricing can vary. The package listed by Mangoal includes the main OEM-style dash cam, rear camera cable, 128 GB micro SD card, GPS module, OBD power adapter, rearview mirror plug adapter, installation tool, strap, and a 12-month warranty. So why is this such a popular type of dash cam for truck owners? The answer is really the combination. You get high-resolution 4K footage at the front, full HD coverage at the rear, GPS, Wi-Fi, smartphone access, a 128 gigabytes card, impact detection, loop recording, and an OEM-style design specifically shaped around the Silverado interior. Instead of being a generic universal camera, it's designed around a particular vehicle platform. For someone who wants a clean-looking recording system without turning the windshield area into a collection of gadgets, that integrated approach is especially appealing. And with 30 frame per second 4K recording from the front camera, the system is built around capturing detailed driving footage rather than simply providing a basic record of the road. Ultimately, the Mangoal 4K dash cam is a feature-rich 2-channel system aimed directly at Silverado owners. The key numbers tell the story: 3,840 by 2160 front recording, 1920 by 1080 rear recording, 170-degree front coverage, 140-degree rear coverage, a Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor, f/1.8 front lens, 30 frames per second 4K recording, 128 gigabytes included storage, GPS, Wi-Fi, and smartphone app connectivity. If your Silverado matches the Model B sensor cover configuration, this setup brings together high-resolution video and a factory-inspired installation in one package. And for drivers who want front and rear coverage while keeping the cabin looking clean and integrated, that's a compelling combination. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.